Yeah, I wonder which one of them is cheating the worst at cards there. Hey, anyway, we're working on the 35 Chevy, and I've got a deal here I wanted to show you. I left one piece of wood from the old 35 stuff and made a perfect little anchor point to tie me off a little hook there. I run a heavy piece of nylon line, like some heavy old trot line down through here. Got it going back. The fishing line, I just like tied this back, clamped me a little conduit clamp here so I could put old 1/2 inch in there, and then I had her tied pretty darn tight, I thought, but you know, this isn't just like foam. It's got that vinyl to it too, so it weighs a little bit. Kind of concerned about that and how long it'll stay put. We're gonna find out. Like I said, we're gonna glue the crap out of it and get going. I know I got to clean the board in there, so let's get it done. Everybody's favorite, spray away microfibers. That's what it takes. Just spray the crap on there. It's got lots of alcohol in it, so it makes it dry pretty good, even in cool temperatures. And it's not cold, but it's not hot in here. Definitely, nobody's sweating at work today. All right, guys, everything going on inside of here, completely top secret. Yeah. Check it out. Cardboard. Got to protect that hardwood floor, baby. Yeah. So, just some old masonite mounted in there. You know, if you just wanted to build you up a rat rod, you could just put that in there and cover her up with stickers, paint it flat black, paint it, make it look rusty, whatever, sticker it up, have a nice flat spot there. Guys, here we're going with it. So the theory is, once you pull the trigger, don't let up. Find the fat spot in the pan and try to keep the can that same distance. Now all the edges I'm gluing down separate, but I want glue on this whole stinking thing right now. So I don't know how well this will work. What a good stretching. I'm gonna set this down. Hey, yeah. All right, guys, we're just spraying glue. To get at least a little bit of a shot of some glue application. Wonder, throw a light out that way, will that help? Come on, darling. One can goes quite a ways, guys. I bought several because I knew I like to use lots of glue. The more the merrier. Better get this out of here. Dang it. kind of work out, fellas. I think we're gonna be all right. All right, so when you're spraying this glue, if you're just going all crazy with it, see how that stuff will start stringing up and going nuts? Yeah, keep the thing, you can sit off at the side and see how wide the fan is. Just keep that dude in that widest part of that fan, and your glue goes on really nice and easy. Not too hard to put it on there even. Yeah, I don't know, it's just a simple thing. Watch where you're spraying. All right, when we get up this close, we move the support for under the lift out of the way as our jack stand, and I just have a small little hook right up here. Whew, it's time to get it stuck on there, I know that. It'll be all right. Surely. Man, yeah, if I'm snowing it, it's got to be pretty damn strong. All right, fellas. Y'all watch that and tell me when that, you know, makes it inside there. Oh yeah, I already see one error in this whole plan. It's not bad. It's not going bad, fellas. Not going too bad. Just should have marked my middle out on the end instead of off in the dang wrong middle of it. That ain't too bad. All right. Huh? So you probably want to give yourself more than like an hour to do this when you're doing the gluing and sticking together process. I started kind of late, and yeah, it's still late. I got half of it stuck down pretty good. Look at how she looks in here. So you can see a lot of material up there. Yeah, if you don't like diamond tuck, well, this may not be your gig. All right, so there you go. Headliners in, trimmed up. Only had to do it 2 times. Sorry I didn't video the struggle there. That was quite a struggle to get it put in place, but hey, it is now. So let's move on and put one of these side panels back in. I've been sweating putting the headliner in this thing for a long time. So check this out. Headliners in, humps upholstered. Panels are just sitting in here. They're not actually snapped in place yet. I have to finish this little lip right here. Get that done, and then I'll snap those panels in there. Got to do the same thing up around the front doors. And then the very front up there, about that tall, we got to build some kind of board or something, put in there, pay homage to the old wooden car. I did pull my wires down, so I bought some little LED rock lights for dome lights. That ought to be super bright in here. Everything. Well, if you don't like diamond tuck, this may not be your gig here, right? It's really starting to come together, looking like a car. Got the second little dome light right here. Yeah, this is next, fellas. This man, I don't know how many videos we got on the 35 Chevy. We're way up there. The doors, they're gonna occupy some time. I'm gonna try not to drag it out too long. We'll get them built, put together. Yeah, it'll really be something, won't it? All right, so there you go. A whole bunch of progress. Tried not to make too long a video and show a lot of little clips of stuff going down. Let me know if you like that. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment what you want to see next on the channel, guys. And as always, we'll catch you on the next video.